My favorite part about it is actually getting to talk to folks again. It's all about the connection with the industry, with our suppliers that we do business with, so the other exhibitors, and then the customers that come and attend and look for the new products.
SEMA means opportunity. It gives us opportunity for our customers to come see us. It's opportunity for new customers to learn about Turn 14, and also just to strengthen the relationships we already have.
Is showcasing what we're doing. It shows clients, builders, manufacturers that we have relationships with, what we're doing in the shop, how we can incorporate their products into our builds.
The crowds have been really great, interested in what we have to offer, interested in what SEMA has to offer, finding out about the new products and the ways that the industry can help them grow their business.
I think something really unique that's been happening is, of course we have all of the B2B folks coming by the booth, but a lot of people are mostly coming up for individual also, just saying, I have my own rig and this is what I need and how do I get it? It's kind of great because it feels very personal to every single person who walks by.
In this industry, sometimes you'll talk to somebody for 3 or 4 years and never see them, and then once you see them, it's really great. To have that opportunity is priceless. Like, you can send emails, you can do video chats now. When you sit down with somebody face to face, that's, you're getting the truth, you're getting the reality of what's going on. And we take that back, we process, say, okay, what are we doing well? How can we do it better? And I think for everybody that's here, that's what they're doing.